Uno, punto uno. Kim Altagonde.
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 What you doing?
Fixing my stuff.
Oh, what's your stuff?
You want this? This?
What's that? Show me your stuffs.
Just stuffs from Colorado.
Okay. Okay, Colorado.
Colorado.
Later. Hi.
Hello.
How's the SSPC?
It's okay. Oh my goodness.
Hey, don't walk away. I'm talking to you.
Hey.
Hey.
Do you have questions to ask?
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
How was the, editorial cartooning?
It's very easy.
Oh.
And I'm sure I am the winner.
Yes.
You know?
Yes, that's the spirit.
Yeah. For sure.
What you reading?
What? Oh, come on.
Yes. Hello. What you doing?
What?
How's your DSSPC?
Boring.
Enjoy.
Charles.
Enjoy.
Of course we enjoy.
Yes. Yum. Video. That's John Lowey taking picture. Hi, Patricia. What you doing? How's the SSPC?
I don't know.
You don't know? Aww.
Sipon ako.
Numero uno. Punto.
Punto.
Talaba girl.
Uy, grabe, may binasaganin naman tayo.
1, 2.
Do it again, do it again.
Ang ganda na ito pag-jump. Hindi namin namin.
Let me see. I can see.
Yung naputok.
Ito, pumutok na. Gusto ko taho.
Very big corn here. You know, the products they sell here in their canteen is so damn expensive. Really expensive. I can't afford to buy. So boring.